In this video, you'll learn how to create a notification system using Claude Code. This guide will walk you through defining your notification requirements, choosing the right services, and implementing the system step by step. Begin by defining your notification requirements. First, decide on the types of notification you want to implement. Common options include email notifications, SMS notifications, and push notifications, which can be delivered via web or mobile. Next, identify the trigger events for these notifications. Consider events such as payment, succeeded, or failed, new user signups, and order shipments that will prompt your system to send notifications. After establishing your requirements, the next step is to choose the notification services that will handle your messages. For email notifications, popular services include SendGrid, Amazon SES, and Mailgun. For SMS notifications, you can opt for Twilio or MessageBird. If you need push notifications, consider using Firebase Cloud Messaging or OneSignal. Once you've selected your services, obtain the API keys necessary for integration. These keys will allow your application to communicate with the chosen services effectively. Now, prepare your project by opening Visual Studio Code. Create a new project folder, for example, named Notification App. Initialize your environment according to the programming language you are using, such as Node.js or Python. It is crucial to store your API keys securely in a NF file to prevent unintentional exposure of sensitive information. Next, open the Claude Code terminal and prompt it to generate a notification module tailored to your selected services. For instance, you can use a prompt like generate a backend module to send notifications via email and SMS when specific events occur. Include message templates and logging. Claude Code will produce the necessary notification functions or modules, predefined message templates, and a logging mechanism for sent notifications. After generating the notification module, define the event triggers for your notifications. Ask Claude Code to create event listeners that will trigger notifications based on specific actions. An example prompt could be generate backend logic to trigger notifications on events like payment success, order creation, or user sign-up. This step ensures that your system will respond appropriately to user interactions and other critical events. Following the setup, it's time to test your notifications. Claude Code can assist in generating a test workflow that allows you to send sample email, SMS, or push notifications. Verify the delivery and formatting of these messages and check the logging of sent notifications to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Finally, deploy your notification system to a backend server such as Heroku, Railway, or Vercel. Ensure that your environment variables, including the API keys, are correctly set in the production environment. It is important to confirm that notifications work as intended in this live setting. Additionally, Claude Code can help generate a monitoring workflow to track successful and failed notifications. This will allow you to retry any failed deliveries and send alerts if your notification service experiences downtime. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.